This video is going to show you how to make chicken provolone. This is one box of large elbow noodles. We're going to boil them for 10 minutes and we're going to strain the water off. You also need 1 pack of provolone cheese that has 10 slices in it. You need 5 of the chicken patties you buy in the frozen section of your grocery store, and 2 jars of your favorite spaghetti sauce, whatever kind you like. 2 jars of that. And while this is boiling, stir it so it doesn't stick. Have it in a pot that you can put in the oven too. So that is why it's in this nice big pot, because once we strain the noodles and put the sauce on and the cheese and the chicken, we're going to put in the oven for about 15-20 minutes till the cheese melts, and you will have easy chicken provolone. So once these noodles boil for 10 minutes, then we're going to take them out. Okay, once the noodles have boiled for 10 minutes, then you strain them. All the water's out. Then we put our sauce on. You can turn your heat off because your burner will stay hot for a little while. It's 2 jars of sauce, and we're going to mix the noodles up. Have your oven on 350, preheating. Stir up all your noodles. Then we're just going to flatten them out. And we're going to take our provolone cheese, 5 pieces. Scatter it around like that. Then we're going to stagger our pieces of our chicken patties where the cheese isn't, because then we're going to put the last can of sauce on top of the chicken and the cheese, like that. Then on top of the chicken patties, we're going to put the other 5 pieces of cheese, put the lid on, put it in the oven till the cheese melts, about 20 minutes. And you have chicken provolone. Our chicken provolone just came out of the oven. See our nice 5 chicken patties covered in cheese, and then our noodles are covered in cheese. That is how you make chicken provolone. I hope you like this easy recipe, and subscribe to my channel to get notifications when I make a new video. And have a good day.